Hello friends, welcome to the CubeSpace Engineers YouTube channel. This is our first technical video which will be useful and informative for you.
Today's topic is cement. As we know, cement is a binder. When used in construction, it sets, hardens and adheres to the other materials so that it binds them together.
Cement is derived from Roman term called opus cementitium, which describes masonry resembling modern concrete, made from crushing rocks with burnt lime as binder. If we see the history of cement, the story of the invention of Portland cement, as attributed to Joseph Aspdin, Leeds builder and bricklayer, even though similar procedures had been adopted by other inventors. Joseph Aspdin took the patent of Portland cement on 21st of October 1824. This fancy name of Portland is given to the cement due to the resemblance of the hardened cement to the tough natural stone occurring at Portland in England. In initial period, the cement was only used for making mortar, but later the cement is also used in making concrete. Manufacturing of Portland cement. The raw materials required for manufacturing of cement are calcareous materials like limestone or chalk and argillaceous materials such as shale or clay. The process of cement manufacturing starts with grinding of raw materials, then mixing them intimately in certain proportions based on their purity and composition, followed by burning them in a kiln at a temperature of around 1300 to 1500 degrees Celsius, where the materials sinters and partially fuses to form nodular shaped clinkers. And lastly, these clinkers is cooled and ground to fine powder with addition of about 3 to 5% of gypsum. The product formed by this procedure is called Portland cement. In the cement manufacturing, there are two processes. One is known as wet and the other is known as dry process, depending upon whether the mixing and grinding of raw material is done in wet or in dry conditions. And also with a little changes in the above process, we can also expect semi-dry process where raw materials are ground dry and mixed with about 10 to 14% of water and then further burned to clinkering temperature. Some of the chemical compounds present in cement are silicon dioxide, calcium oxide, aluminum oxide, magnesium oxide, ferric oxide, sulfur trioxide. And when water is added to cement, the ingredient reacts with each other and forms more complex compounds. These more complex compounds are called as Box compounds, which will be discussed in coming videos.